Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Former Umndeni cast member Malwandle has sadly passed away at the tender age of 26. Love has confirmed his passing through paying a tribute to him on the recent episode of Umndeni after it was reported that he had died. Details surrounding his death are still unknown yet. Malwandle sadly passed away before he could fix his relationship with his father. Tributes for the star are flooding in on social media, with many people talking about how Malwandle lied to his sister wives and husband Maseko that his brother Lwazi died when Lwazi is alive. And a few weeks later, it is reported that it is not Lwazi but Malwandle. His brother Lwazi is now asking for donations and help paying for his funeral on his Facebook page. And he also mentioned that he will be buried this weekend in Durban. Comfort to his loved ones and his brother. May his soul rest in peace.